How to fix Google Speaker not working on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of Google application on your device. So just go to the Google option over here, and as you can see, there are updates available for this device. So I'm going to tap on update and it will start updating. Now after that, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device so that you can have smooth operation of the application on your device. Next, what you can do is tap on Google or make a long press on the Google application and then tap on App Info and then tap on Clear Data and Clear Cache. Then tap on App Permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options over here and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.